I only had an idea of, I have to lose weight because I was overweight and I didn't have stamina. So that was the whole idea. But when I joined here, your approach of having an holistic fitness in terms of stamina, strength, muscle gain, and weight loss, but a good gain also, mass gain. I think that was an important thing.
Okay.
Frankly, when I joined, I didn't think I'd go so far, but as I joined and started doing it, I realized that it has impacted and affected daily routine of mine also in the office in terms of the kind of energy I have throughout the day, the kind of fitness I have throughout the day. So I think that motivated me to be on it and be continuous, and that is why I didn't stop it anywhere. Visual medium doesn't pleasure me so much, but in terms of feeling myself after losing so much weight, has given me a lot of confidence in the other aspects, a lot of mental health and calmness to my brain. I think that's very important. Visually, though, it's theek hai.
Yeah.
Visually, everybody is getting fitter to look good, but to build up a personality which has a balance of mental health and physical health is very important.
Okay.
When I joined, absolutely I joined कि मुझे सिर्फ weight lose करना है, but as the journey started and then your approach of holistic fitness in terms of strength, muscle power, fitness, stamina. So that I think has become a very important aspect and something that I'll take up this as an important aspect throughout now. Even if I'm not exercising or if I'm not working out so much, a little less, but what I can do is balance it with good diet and make alternate plans of doing something similar throughout constantly now. And two important things that we have always concentrated with you is nutrition and exercise. In terms of nutrition, I really liked your idea of being with the context, realizing that you are in India and you cannot avoid grains. So your emphasis on having all kinds of grains without reducing rice or reducing but not cutting off the rice. And in terms of exercise, definitely how it, like a journey, you have constantly intensified the whole exercise regime where I didn't feel that I was trained anytime. I think these two important aspects I would say are the best and are something that I'm taking from here